ruins of Tipu Sultan's palace. The name of this palace is Lal Mahal. Welcome to another episode of Tind and Travel. Srirangapatna travel vlog continues here. This is a very old and beautiful temple which is just near to Ranganatha Swami Temple, Srirangapatna, but often missed by the devotees due to the lack of information and visibility. This temple is dedicated to Lord Narasimha. There is a beautiful and well-maintained grass lawn aside and in front of the temple where you can sit down and relax. Architecture of this temple is almost similar to the Ranganatha Swami temple. It is said that the temple was constructed more than 800 years back. Next time, when you visit Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple, do not miss this one. This is ruins of Tipu Sultan's palace. The name of this palace is Lal Mahal. This is situated in front of Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple, Srirangapatna. These are the two important gateways of Srirangapatna Fort, namely Mysore Gate and Elephant Gate, facing the Bangalore-Mysore Highway. Nimishamba Temple, located on the banks of Kaveri River at a distance of 2 kilometers from Srirangapatna. In the eastern direction, beyond Tipu Sultan's summer palace, on the road leading to Sangam. Goddess Nimishamba is considered as the incarnation of Goddess Parvati, the consort of Lord Shiva. Muktaraja of Somavamsha Arishatriya performed penance at this temple. There is a belief that Goddess Nimishamba is going to remove all the problems and troubles of her devotees in a minute. That is why she is called Nimishamba. Nimisha means a minute, and Amba is the name of Parvati. The temple was installed at the time of Mummadi Krishnaraja Vadayar about 300 to 400 years ago. The Gumbaz at Srirangapatnam is a Muslim mausoleum at the center of a landscaped garden, holding the graves of Tipu Sultan, his father Hyder Ali, his mother and relatives. It was built by Tipu Sultan to house the graves of his parents. The British allowed Tipu to be buried here after his death in 1799. The mausoleum was surrounded by a cypress garden, which is said to have different species of flowering trees and plants, collected by Tipu Sultan from Persia, Turkey, Kabul, and French Mauritius.
ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು, ಬ್ಲೂ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ತಂದೆ ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು, ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ತಾಯಿ ಫಾತಿಮಾ ಬೇಗಮ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು, ಮದರ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಸನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ಟೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಬಣ್ಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಲದ್ದು 835 ವರ್ಷದ ಬಣ್ಣ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೊದಲು ಚಿನ್ನ ಇತ್ತು, ಗೋಲ್ಡು. ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಿಟ್ರು, ಇವಾಗ ಆನೆ ದಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐವೇರಿ ಬಾಕ್ಲು ಅಂತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು 36 ಕಲ್ಲು. ಏನಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ತಂದೆ ಹೈದರಲ್ಲಿ 36 ವರ್ಷ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಆಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ 36 ಕಲ್ಲು ಮುಗಿದೆ. ರೂಲಿಂಗ್ ದ 36 years and the 36 pillars around this monument is there. ಇದು ಮಸ್ಜಿದ್ ಅಕ್ಸಾ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಮಸ್ಜಿದ್ ಅಕ್ಸಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಂಗಸರು ಅಲೌಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಐರನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಮೆಂಟು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸುಣ್ಣದ ಗಾರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಣ್ಣದ ಗಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಮ್. ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ 2 wives and 8 children, 1 daughter and 7 sons. Daughter, sister, son-in-law back side is there. Wife Rokeya Begum, son Nizamuddin, Sayyid Burhanuddin, front is buried here, sir. So many people their relatives. Iಷ್ಟು ಸುತ್ತ ಇರುವಂಥ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
A few minutes walk from Gumbaz, we reach a beautiful destination, Triveni Sangam. It is the confluence of 3 holy rivers, Kaveri River, Logapavani River and Hemavati River. As per the belief, people come here to wash away sins with a dip. Kaveri River flows into the Mettur Dam in Tamil Nadu from this point. Darya Daulat Bagh literally means Garden of the Sea of Wealth, is a palace situated in Srirangapatna. It was built in the year 1784. The palace is built in the Indo-Saracenic style and mostly made of teak wood. The palace has a triangular plan and is built on a raised platform. The mural paintings are really amazing. This summer palace has a museum which gives you good insight of the life of Tipu Sultan. This magnificent structure is raised on a 5-foot tall platform. The top floor here houses the Tipu Sultan Museum, which exhibits many of the ruler's belongings, along with many European and Persian paintings and manuscripts. From here, we are going to other destinations in Srirangapatna. I will include those destinations in my next episode. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.